Okay.
So basically, this is we already seen advanced version, better version from the report builder, but one check report builder. So this is the data model. This is web source. Like if we want some HTML body as well, so it will give us some HTML output as well. Okay, this is the paper layout you already know, which is parameter form. So mostly things are not visible in the, like we do not use. They are some advanced version which is not applicable to us yet. These are the report triggers. So you have to familiar with these triggers. So this is the one question as well. Like what are the report triggers and what are the meanings for them. So first is before parameter form. Another is after parameter form, before between pages and after report. So these are the triggers which are triggered when we like running the report. Na? So at the time, these triggers are triggered in a way, and these have a sequence. Like firstly, before parameter form trigger.
Sorry.
After that,
Yeah.
I'm saying before. So first one before parameter form trigger.
Yeah.
And second sequence is for the after parameter form. Basically, the parameter form, when we click on the report, while we are in the report, before getting a parameter form, like if our content runs some parameters, so before getting it visible on the screen, so before parameter is triggered, and once the parameter is seen and we have clicked on the OK while filling the parameter, then after parameter form triggered. After that, before report, it is before submitting the report. And after report is after complete the report. Between pages, if this is coming when there are lot of pages in the output, like while generating the output, if we have a lot of pages in the output, then it is triggered between pages. So every page, it is triggered once.
Okay.
So these are the sequences. This is a program unit where we can store our function package procedure, which is the scope of those functions, packages, procedure is only to this report only. So we cannot use outside this report. So basically, we want to use a function or procedure, then we can conveniently store into the database. So we can also this is a connection of the report builder with the database, so we can easily use those procedure function and packages. Instead of declaring here, we have declared these things in the database itself. Otherwise, no benefit.
Yeah.
Of declaring these functions or procedure, because we generally define these program units in the database to use data objects. But if we define in the report builder program unit, then we cannot reuse it outside that report. So there is no useful any useful case for this to define the programming in the report builder. Okay. These are the built-in packages, and these are also available to the report builder only.
Okay.
We can use. So first, let's create some data model. Let me create some data model on the spot EMP. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have created two data models, Q1 and Q2.
Yeah.
So to run this report, if you want the XML, then we can define it like create executable, then can program and put this report into the server.
Yeah.
Then we will be able to find. Then we will be able to find the output from the report builder. The other thing, if we do not want the XML file and we want a paper layout, then we can define the paper layout from here as well. So there are a lot of things like repeating elements, frame. Graph, anchors, files. let me move this report builder or report into the server.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me register. Uh,
Yeah.
there was two things, na, web layout and the paper layout
Yeah.
in the report. So if we need our report will come in the HTML format, and then we need to create a web layout.
Okay.
This report will.
Okay.
Web layout. Basically, we have source. When we are creating a report, this layout. It is saying create both. See this.
Yeah.
It like automatically created these tags in the web source.
Yeah.
When I
HTML
click,
language.
है ना?
In
Yes, yes.
HTML language.
Sorry.
In HTML language. This is.
Yes, yes. So it is automatically embedded the code in the HTML.
Yeah.
And if we need some HTML output, then we need to select that report will give us the HTML output
Okay.
rather than the text output. Because HTML will be entered. So we will check both these but
Mm.
by one, so we can change to after getting the save it. Is it not saved?
Mm. Yeah.
That's saved, no? Don't know why I didn't have it. It's fine. It completely flexible. So today is coming like this. So we have created through report like wizard. Na? So there is something is there. So okay, this is due to the automatic formatting done by the portal. So no problem. We can correct it. So first let me check what is the web layout.
Mm.
How the output is visible in the web layout. Let me change that one first. Just completed. Check that there is some difference. No,
Mm.
it is HTML1 and this is the text one. See this coming in the HTML because we have defined the web layout as well. The web layout is for HTML. We can also create a graph in the report view. Like this is bar chart, horizontal chart,
Mm.
end of the report, chart, and this is So let me uh, again put it in the server. Let's check how the data is coming. We come in the paper. See whether the output is coming for the graph or not. Graph is not coming.
Yes.
Still not coming.
No error also coming.
This is the same thing because now see report builder is very hard to debug. No error is coming. Why? What is the error we are getting? Because if some error we would receive, then we can work in that area only. But now we are unable to find where is the error. Did I print the report with the first? I need to check it.
Okay.
Because need to some settings. So basically, the report builder, as I told you, we have instead of report builder, we have different types of report as well. So I generally prefer those things PL/SQL and data template.
Yeah.
So because you already seen, they are easy to debug and
Yeah.
no need to have server access. Only with the help of the database access we can able to create the report.
Yes.
If we do not have like database access as well to create object, then we can have the data template, because without the help of database object we can create a data template report.
Mm.
So it's easy to build them, but no problem. I will check this error and also some advanced report topics for the report builder, advanced topics. So we will cover these as well. So hope, because the text format and the XML format are same, because we already seen the XML format in the PL/SQL report, the data template report. Other report we have already seen how, because in that case if we create a XML from this report builder, so with the help of the report builder we can have that our XML query, XML text generated. If we change to the XML, then XML text created, and with the help of the XML we can create the RTF. So hope nothing we will not cover that, but I will cover the advanced topics which is inside the report builder.
Yeah.
So we will check it tomorrow.
Okay.
And hope the report will complete by tomorrow.
Okay.
And we will work on the concerns or any report you are working. So we will focus on that one tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Okay.
After that, we will start the forms.
Okay.
Okay. So any concern about the report builder, or you had like you had working in the report builder very long. So anything you need to ask with me, like this is the thing I'm not getting, and I don't, we will not generally get those things in the report builder.
Layout. I have studied layout, but that thing it's look like very complicated. Frame,
Because in the
repeating frame, yeah.
in the layout is thing, these are the two things: frame and the repeating frame.
Yeah.
Frame is the thing which is it will not repeat. Like it is a frame. Like we have created, we want to create some report,
Yeah.
and this is you can say repeating frame is a for or each block.
Yeah.
Like we have in the RTF for or each, na? So where the query repeat itself, the data itself. So the report builder, the repeating frame is equivalent to that.
Yeah.
And the normal frame, like which have like let me compare with the XML tags. Like those tags like header tags. Header tags are not repeating. They are only ones from starting and one in the end. So this is the same thing. You can replicate with the one time frame or not frame with those, like which is with the thing the tag not repeating in the output, and the repeating frames are equivalent to those which are repeating. Those tags are repeating after regular intervals. Yes.
So
So
sometimes
we
when I'm editing and moving here to there, then like that, sometimes like
yes, basic report build like paper layout is very hard.
yeah,
It's very hard to create. It's very hard to debug. That's why most of the people move to the some easy or more advanced version of the report builder. Like they have to the RTF first for the for the layout. After that, they have moved the data model as well in the PL/SQL as well, PL/SQL,
yeah.
and they after that they have moved to a data template. But the report are available from the day one, all the report types, but we have shifted from the report builder to the other report tools because it is very hard to form, like, generate or create a layout for with the help of the report builder,
Yeah.
and also not like much interacting output also very complicated to create from the report builder also.
Yes.
So the easiest form is to create a RTF. As we already seen those reports already, so we can use that in the real life to create
And
our reports.
I find difficulty when too much query there, and we have to put link, and we have to
Yes.
make a group. That time little confusion comes.
Yes, yeah. Basically, easy report or simple report is easy to build in the report builder. But when coming into the complex queries or complex report, then it is very hard to like we can develop easily, but have some difficulty. But while someone is doing the debugging for the report in the future, if they will get the error in the report. Then it is very hard, very hard to debug
And
because we need.
so many things I learn from books and YouTube also. But uh, when I'm doing practically, that time I don't know how to debug, and this one.
Yeah, basically, we need to check each and everything, like where is the repeating frame, because we are not able to get where is the repeating
Yeah.
frame,
Then
where is the
after
frame. So
long time, I came to know that I have to put SRW message, and in the means what in function or somewhere we are getting error, so we should find like that. So little
it is
bit I
it
can
is
do.
same thing like we are putting the DBMS output or FND output
Yes,
or
yes.
FND log
Yeah, yeah.
to debug
So
that.
this thing I
Yes.
came to know after a long time.
Okay. So no problem. We will discuss some advanced topic for the report builder as well. What are the advanced topic? And I will also check how to deal like why it is not printing in the output.
And something I want to know from your experience, this